Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add CSS to the head section of an email template in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize the styling of your email headers to match your brand's look and feel, giving you more control over how your emails appear to recipients. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct account credentials, as you'll need proper access permissions to modify design elements within HubSpot. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu, hover your cursor over the option labeled Content. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this expanded menu, click on Design Manager. This is where all your HubSpot design assets live, including email templates, modules, and styling files. Now that you're in the Design Manager, look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find a search bar. This search functionality makes it easy to locate specific files without scrolling through your entire asset library. Type header into the search bar to filter and find your email header files. From the search results, click on the specific header file you want to add CSS code to. This will open the headers editing interface where you can make your modifications. It's important to select the correct header file, especially if you're managing multiple email templates. Once the header opens, you'll see 3 distinct code modules displayed on your screen. These modules are designed to keep your code organized and separated by type. You'll notice one module for HTML and HubLel, another for CSS, and a third for JavaScript. This separation makes it much easier to manage and troubleshoot your code. To add your custom CSS, locate the module labeled module.css. Click into this section and enter your CSS code directly into the editor. This is where you can define styles for fonts, colors, spacing, and any other visual elements you want to customize in your email header. Once you've entered your code, save your changes, and that's how you add CSS to an email header in HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.